Welcome to Narayanpur College online classes. In the previous episode, we already completed two of the atomic models. One is Thomson atomic model, and one more we can discuss the Rutherford atomic model. We discussed the main postulates and the drawbacks of Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment only. In this today's episode, we will discuss regarding about electromagnetic radiation only. Electromagnetic radiation only. If we take the light and other forms of radiant energy, light if we take and other forms of radiant energy propagate through a space in the form of wave only, in the form of wave. So what is electromagnetic radiation means? The wave which is associated with both electric field and the magnetic field is called as electromagnetic radiation only. Electromagnetic radiation. If you want to apply the electric field and magnetic field through the wave, electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. Not only perpendicular to each other, they are perpendicular to the path of the wave also. Path of the wave. You can take this one, light and other forms of radiant energy. Light and other forms of radiant energy. Light and other forms of which one more? Radiant energy propagate through the space in the form of what I told here, in the form of waves only. Propagate through space in the form of wave. In the form of what? Wave only. So here what is electromagnetic radiation means? The wave which is associated with both electric field and magnetic field only. Both the electric field and magnetic field is called electromagnetic radiation. Is called electromagnetic radiation. Okay, this is the definition of electromagnetic radiation. If you take any wave, the wave which is associated with both electric field and magnetic field only. Imagine it is one wave only. Okay. So here you can imagine it is a wave only. It is having both field. What is that one? Magnetic field and what? Electric field only. So we can take this is one of the field only. Let us imagine it is a electric field. Electric field only. Not only electric field, one more what? Magnetic field also. It associated with magnetic field also. Okay, you can take like this. How you can take this? You can take like this one. So this is what field, okay, what field it is. You can take, this is electric field and this is what? Magnetic field. So here what is the direction of electric field here? I am simply writing here electric field, or you can write here electric field perpendicular to, electric field is perpendicular to which one? Magnetic field only. Magnetic field. So these two fields are also perpendicular to what? Path of the wave also. So simply I am writing here electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to path of the wave also. Path of the wave. This is regarding about which one? Electromagnetic radiation. So this electromagnetic radiation does not require any medium only. Simply I am writing here electromagnetic radiation. I am writing here not requires any medium only. Any medium. So this is regarding about which one? Electromagnetic radiation only. So in this electromagnetic radiation, what are the waves are concerned here? We can take here cosmic rays. So example here, cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, UV rays, visible rays, IR rays, visible rays, IR rays, and one more here, radio waves, and one more we have microwaves only. Microwaves. So this is what, this is an example for which one? Electromagnetic radiations. Cosmic rays are there, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, infrared rays, radio waves, and microwaves. These are examples for which one? Electromagnetic radiation only. So the next concept we have characteristics of the wave only. Generally wave contains what type of the characteristics only. Just I want to write here wave. Okay, imagine it is a wave only. So here this is called as a crust only, crust, and it is called as a trough only. Okay, here we will take the difference between these two, or you can say the distance between these two crusts you are calling as a wavelength, that is lambda. The height of the crust or depth of the trough you are calling as a amplitude only. So we will get here different types of the characteristics of the wave we have. The first one we have wavelength only. What is a wavelength here? The distance between two successive crust or trough is called as a wavelength only. The distance between two successive distance between two consecutive, we can say also consecutive crust or trough is called wavelength only. Is called wavelength. This wavelength is denoted by lambda only. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. So what are the units of this wavelength? Units you can say here centimeter, meter, nanometer, angstrom units, and picometer only. Centimeter is there, meter is there, nanometer is there, angstrom units is there, picometer is there. These are the different units of which one? Wavelength only. Wavelength denoted by what? Lambda only. Now we can take here 1 angstrom units you are taking only. So we have different units are there. First one we have angstrom units only. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeter, that is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter only. We will take here 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 7 centimeter, that is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter only. Now we will take here 1 picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeter, that is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter only. Clear? You know already 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Convert them 100 centimeters into meters. You already discussed in basic concept of chemistry chapter only. So these are the main units you are using in this calculation part. Conversion of angstroms to centimeter and meter, nanometer, and like what? Picometer only. So this is the first characteristics of which one? Wave only, that is the wavelength only. Okay. And the second one you can see here wave number. Wave number you can see. So generally it is denoted by nu bar only. So what is a wave number means here the reciprocal of the wavelength is called as wave number only. The reciprocal of wavelength is called wave number. The reciprocal of the wavelength is called what? Wave number only. So we can write like this here. Wave number nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda only. So here what are the units of wavelength? Wavelength you have centimeter and meter. So what are the units you will get for the wave number? Units you will get here centimeter inverse, or you can write meter inverse only. Centimeter inverse or what? Meter inverse. So this is regarding about which one? Wave number only. Wave number we have. And next one we have frequency. Frequency denoted by nu only. What is frequency means? The number of waves. The number of waves cross a certain point in a 1 second is called as frequency only. The number of waves that crosses certain point in 1 second is called frequency. The number of waves that crosses certain point in a 1 second is called as what? Frequency. Frequency you can write here nu is equal to c by lambda 1. What is c? C is velocity of the light only. Lambda is the wavelength only. What are the units of this frequency? Frequency generally are calling as here what you can say CPS. What is CPS means? Cycle per second. And you can write one more here Hz. What is Hz means? Hertz only. Okay. If you want to get the units of generally velocity, can here meter per second. Suppose you are taking meter per second by the wavelength. Suppose you are taking what? Meter only. Here what you will get? Seconds is the units for which one? Frequency only. Once you see the units here, meter per second by meter here, meter cancel. Second means how can you write this here? This is what? Second inverse only. So we will write here cycle per second or H or what? Second inverse only, because you can see here meter second inverse only. Meter cancel, you will get second inverse. 1 CPS is equal to 1 H, that is equal to second inverse only. This is regarding about which one? Frequency. The next one we have velocity only. What is velocity means? Distance travelled by wave in 1 second. Distance travelled by wave in 1 second is called as what? Velocity only. You will write here a definition. Distance travelled by wave in 1 second is called velocity. Okay, velocity denoted by c we have. Velocity c is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second only. This is the velocity of the light value we have. They given light, we can use what the values here, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second and 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second only. This is regarding about which one? Velocity one. And the next one we have amplitude. So what is amplitude means? Here you can see this part here. It is a depth of the trough or height of the crust is called as what? Amplitude only. The depth of trough or height of the crust is called amplitude only. It is denoted by small a only. Generally tells about what here? Brightness of the light only. It mainly tells about what? Brightness of light only. So these are the different characteristics of the wave only. So wavelength, wave number, of frequency, and velocity, and what ma? Amplitude only. See, this is the example up to now what we discussed, that is the characteristics of the wave only. See the question here, calculate the wave number and frequency of the radiation having the wavelength here 5800 angstrom units only. 5800 angstrom units only. This is the question. What is given here? Lambda is given. Lambda is equal to 5800 angstrom units only. So you know 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter we have. So convert them into meter. I will write here 5800 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So I will get how much here? 58 into 10 power minus 8 meter only. This is lambda given. The first one they ask here wave number only. The first one we have here wave number. Wave number is equal to what is the formula? Wave number means it is the reciprocal of the wavelength only. So we will write here 1 by lambda we have. So 1 by, this is 58 into 10 power minus 8 meter you will get only. So what will you get here? This is 1 by 58 into 10 power 8 meter inverse only. 10 power 8 meter inverse only. So what is the value of this 1 by 58 we have? 1 by 58. So 1 by 58 you will get 0.01724 into 10 power 8 meter inverse only. So you can multiply this one with 100, what you will get? 1.724 into 10 power 6 meter inverse only. This is a wave number only. And next one more we have. And frequency they asking here. Frequency nu, that is equal to c by lambda. So what is c ma? Velocity of light you can write here 3 into 10 power 8. This is meter per second. And the wavelength already we are taking in the form of this one meter. We have, this is 58 into 10 power 8 minus 8 meter only. Now we will write here nu is equal to, this is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by, this one you will write here at 5.58 into, this is 10 power minus 8 meter only. So nu is equal to, this is 3 into 10 power 8 into meter cancel. This is 10 power 8 into, this is second inverse by 58 only. So you find out here 3 by 58 value, you will get the answer. So we will get it here 3 by 58 0.0517. It is 8 to 8 how much ma? 16 we have, and second inverse you will get all. So this value you can write here 5.17 into 10 power 14 second inverse only. So what it is a frequency and it is what? Wave number only. This is the first question. See the next question we have. This is NCERT question only. The Vividh Bharati radio station of All India Radio broadcasts on a frequency of 1368 kHz. Calculate the wavelength of the radiation emitted by the transmitter. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum does it belongs to? The given frequency. What are the frequencies given? Frequency nu is equal to 1368 kHz. kHz means what? Kilohertz only. So kilo means can I write here 10 cube? I will write here 1368 into 10 cube hertz only. Clear? So this is new. What they asking here? Calculate the wavelength of the radiation. They are asking lambda. So you know formula nu is equal to c by lambda. From this you can write what ma? From this you can write lambda is equal to c by nu only. What is c here? Velocity of the light only. So c is equal to value we have, this is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second only. Meter per second we have. Now we can substitute the values here. Nu is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. You can write here meter second inverse by, and what are the value you got here? You got here 1368 into 10 cube hertz only. Hertz means what? It is the units of the frequency only. So 1 CPS is equal to 1 hertz, that is equal to second inverse also you can write. Now what we will do, you have to find out the value of this frequency, that is 3 into 10 power 8 by 1368 into 10 cube only. And now you see already hertz is equal to second inverse. Just to substitute the values here, second inverse cancel here. Meter we have 3 by 1368 value we have 0.002192 into, this is 10 power 8, this is 10 power minus 3. What you will get? 10 power 5 meter is there. You can multiply this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write 219.2 meter. So this is what? This is this is a wavelength they are asking only. This is a lambda we have. So we are finding what ma? Wavelength lambda only. Now they ask one more question here. Which part of electromagnetic spectrum it belongs to? Means it belongs to radio waves only. It belongs to what ma? Radio waves only. So what you are finding here? We are finding wavelength, and finally what are the reason it belongs to? It belongs to what? Radio waves only. So this is regarding about question number 2. This is the NCERT question only. Just you try these questions here. 3 questions I given. Find the frequency of the radiation with a wavelength 600 nanometers only. You can convert them this nanometer into meter or centimeter. You can do this calculation. U is equal to c by lambda. The c value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Calculate the wavelength of radiation having a wave number. Wave number of a radiation having a wavelength 800 nanometers only. They are asking wave number. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda you can use. And they calculate the wavelength of a radiation with the frequency 1200 kilohertz only. Wavelength asking frequency is given. Nu is equal to c by lambda, lambda is equal to c by nu formula you can use, you will get the answer only. Now you can see the next question we have, question number 6. Wavelength range extended from violet to red. Violet to red, 400 nanometers to 750 nanometers. Find frequencies they are asking only. The first wavelength is given, I am taking lambda 1, that is equal to 400 nanometer only. And one more is given lambda 2. Lambda 2 is equal to 750 nanometer only. 750 nanometer. So lambda 1 is equal to, I will write here 400 into 10 power minus 9 meter only. Minus 9 meter we have. So this one you can write here 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter, that is lambda 1 only. Now we can take this lambda 2, that is equal to, you will write here 750 into 10 power minus 9 meter. You can lambda 2 is equal to, you can write here 75 into 10 power minus 8 meter only. They ask here frequency only. Generally frequency nu is equal to what ma? Nu is equal to c by lambda. If you take nu 1, it become what? Lambda 1. So nu 1 is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse by, this is 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter only. Meter cancel. 3 by 4 means, can I write here 0.75? 0.75, this is 8 to 7. How much you will get? 15 second inverse only. What you will get here? This you can write here 75 into 10 power 13 second inverse only. This is the frequency of the radiation 1 only. Next you can see the lambda 2 for this one. I will write nu 2 is equal to c by lambda 2. You will write here 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse by, this one you will get here 75 into 10 power 8 minus 8 meter. So 3 by 75 means, can I write here 1 by 25? Yes. So 1 by 25 into what you will get my, this is 10 power 16 you will get, meter you will get, and what you get here my second inverse only 1 by 25. So can I write here 4 into 10 power 14 second inverse only. So these are the frequency ranges. What are the frequency ranges? 75 into 10 power 13 second. See the next concept we have electromagnetic spectrum only. What is electromagnetic spectrum mean here? The arrangement of different electromagnetic radiations. We are arranging the electromagnetic radiations, increasing order of the wavelength or decreasing order of the frequency. We are calling as what? Electromagnetic spectrum only. Increasing order of the wavelength and decreasing order of the frequency is called as electromagnetic spectrum only. So here what you can say, wavelength only. Wavelength increases, generally frequency decreases, wave number also decreases here, energy E also decreases only. Wavelength increases, frequency decreases, wave number decreases, energy also what? Decreases only. What are the relation you can write here? Lambda inversely proportional to frequency, lambda inversely proportional to wave number, lambda inversely proportional to what ma? Energy only. So sometimes we can ask this applicative questions on this formulas only. So this is a relation between what? Wavelength, wave number, and what ma? Sorry, frequency and what? Energy only. Now we can see this electromagnetic spectrum having different types of the regions we have. Already we discussed the example, cosmic rays are there, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, IR rays, infrared rays, radio waves and microwaves. These are the example for the electromagnetic radiations only. So we can see the arrangement of this different electromagnetic radiations here. X-ray, gamma ray, X-ray, UV. What is UV? Ultraviolet rays only. So this part is what man? This is a visible region only. Next we have IR. Again IR, three types are there. Near IR, far IR, IR. And microwave is there. And radio wave we have AM and FM. And the last one we have long radio waves only. Long radio waves. In this very important for us is a visible region only. What is the visible region range? We have 400 to 750 nanometers only. In this region we can observe the different types of the colors we have. So violet color with the wavelength 400 nanometers, blue color with the wavelength 475 nanometers, green color with the wavelength 530 nanometers, yellow color with the wavelength 580 nanometers, orange we have 620 nanometers, red we have 700 to 750 nanometers only. So these are the different wavelengths of this what here? Visible region only, very important for here. Violet to blue, green, yellow, orange and what ma? Red only. Now you can see the remaining we have. Now you can see here frequency, generally frequency of your writing here, frequency is what? Decreasing order only, 10 power 24 to 10 power 0 is there here, 10 power 24, 10 power 22, 10 power 20, this belongs to what ma? Frequency of gamma rays only. X-rays we can take the range in the form of 10 power 18, ultraviolet rays 10 power 16 we have, and IR rays we have 10 power 14, microwaves we have 10 power 10, and radio waves we have 10 power 82, 10 power 6 we have, and the next one we have long radio waves we have 10 power 4 to 10 power 0 only. This is what? Frequency, that is frequency what? Decreasing order. And the next one we can see the wavelength. This is the wavelength only. Wavelength always in what? Increasing order only. So we can see the wavelength for gamma rays 10 power minus 16 to 10 power minus 12. X-rays we have 10 power minus 10. Ultraviolet rays we have 10 power minus 8. IR we have 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 4 we have. Microwave 10 power minus 2. This is a radio wave we have 10 power 0 to 10 power 2 in the region. And the long radio we have 10 power 4, 10 power 6 and 10 power 8 is there. So this is what? Increasing order of the wavelength and decreasing order of the frequency is called as electromagnetic spectrum. What are the visible region range? We have 400 nanometers to 750 nanometers with different colors, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange and red only. This is regarding about which one ma? Electromagnetic spectrum. The next concept we have black body radiation only. Before the black body radiation we have to know what is a black body only. An ideal object which emits and absorbs all the types of the frequencies is called as a black body. The black body or emit the radiation is called as what? Black body radiation only. The ideal body which emits and absorb all frequencies are called black body. All frequencies called what? Black body. So what is a black body radiation? We have the radiation of the black body is called as what? Black body radiation only. The radiation of black body is called black body radiation only. This is regarding about here black body radiation only. And the next concept we have Planck's quantum theory only. Planck's quantum theory, very important theory we have. What is Planck's quantum theory? Explained means here the phenomena of the black body radiation can be explained by Planck's quantum theory only. This is the first point here. The phenomena of black body radiation is explained by Planck's quantum theory. Okay, so generally substance emits or absorbs in the energy due to the vibration of the charged particles only. So generally emits, it will release the energy and it will absorb the energy because of which one here? Because of which one? Vibration of the charged particles only. So whenever the substance emits or absorbs the discontinuous radiations in the form of small packets of energy, these small packets of energy we are calling as a quantum only, or you can say quanta. If you are taking a light, in this case they are the energy packets we are calling as a photons only, is called as what? Photons. So energy is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation only. So we can write the relation between which one and which one? Energy and what? Frequency of the radiation. From that we can derive the Planck's quantum explanation, that we are getting E is equal to h nu only. E is equal to h nu. These are the main postulates of which one? Planck's quantum theory only. You see one point here. So you can see already discussed this first point. The second point you can see the adsorption of or emission. The adsorption or emission of radiation is due to vibration of the charged particles only. So next point we have substance radiate, absorb energy discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy. We are calling as what? Quantum only. Okay, it will be radiate or emit or absorb the energy in the form of small packets of energy. We are calling as what? Quantum only. If you are using light, in case of this one, what you are regarding? In case of light, the quantum is called as what? The quantum is called as what? Photon only. Okay. The next point here, the energy of each radiation is directly proportional to what? Frequency only. What you are calling? Frequency. The energy of emitted or absorbed radiation, or the energy of each quantum is directly proportional to which one? Frequency of the radiation. Frequency of radiation. So we will write here E directly proportional to nu we have. E directly proportional to nu we have. So from this you are writing here E is equal to H into nu only. So what is H here? H is equal to Planck's constant only. H is equal to what ma? Planck's constants. Its value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, or 6.625 into 10 power minus 27 we have erg second only. This is the value of which one ma? Planck's constant only. So H is what here? H is a proportionality constant. The constant name is what? Planck's constant only. So what is the formula you got here? E is equal to H nu on. Very important formula. E is equal to H nu for which one ma? Planck's quantum theory. From this what you have to find out here? You have to find out the energy of the radiation or the frequency of the radiation. You have to find out here. So I will write the formula again. E is equal to H nu. E is equal to H into C by lambda 1. You know nu is equal to C by lambda. From this you can write what? E is equal to H into C by lambda. This one also you can write here. E is equal to, I will write here H into C into nu bar also write. Why nu bar here? Reciprocal of the wavelength is called what? Wave number. You can write E is equal to H into C into nu bar. What is nu bar? Nu bar is called as what ma? Wave number only. So here energy emitted or absorbed in the integral multiples of what you can say here NH you can write here, or you can write here E is equal to N into H into nu all. So how the integral multiples you can write here? Here H nu, 2H nu, 3H nu, 4H nu, and so on what ma? NH nu. From this you are writing here E is equal to N into H into nu all. What is N here? N is an integer. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on only. I will see one more formula here. Energy of 1 mole of photon E is equal to H nu into Avogadro number only. H into what? Avogadro number. So E is equal to, you will write here H nu into what is the Avogadro number value? 6.022 into 10 power 23 only. This is regarding about the formulas we are using in what ma? Planck's quantum theory. What is the first formula we have? E is equal to H nu, or you can say E is equal to Hc by lambda, or E is equal to H into C into nu bar, or you can say E is equal to N into H into unit. It is integral multiple formula we have. And one more, energy of the 1 mole of proton, and what you can say E is equal to H nu into what? Na. What is Na? Avogadro number. So E is equal to H nu into what is the value of Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. This is regarding about which one? Planck's quantum theory. Now I am writing again this E is equal to H nu formula. If the two energies are given and two wavelengths are given, I will write here E1 is equal to Hc into C by lambda 1. If the energy E2 is given, that you can write Hc into C by lambda 2. If you want to write here E1 by E2, what is E1 by E2 will get ma? Hc by lambda 1 into, then what you will get ma? Lambda 2 by Hc. You can write divide. What you will get here? Hc and Hc cancel here. E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1 only. What is this? This is the relation between energy and what ma? Wavelength of the, if two energies are given, if the two wavelengths are given, sometimes they ask the relation they are asking, or sometimes they are asking calculate the energy of one radiation by giving another radiation of the energy with wavelengths only. So these are formulas very important for us only. Now let us see some of the questions on this this Planck's quantum theory. Now let us see this question here. For the two radiations, wavelengths are 3097 units and 6097 units respectively. Find the ratio of the energies they are asking on. I will discuss the formula this one. What is the formula you can use? Directly you can use the formula. What is the formula we have? E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Lambda 1 how much ma? 3000 angstrom units. So this is 3000 angstrom units, and lambda 2 is equal to, we have 6000 angstrom units. 6000 angstrom units. Substitute the values. We have E1 by E2 is equal to 6000 angstrom units by, so 3000 angstrom units we have. So what you will get here? 2 we will get only. So what you reckon here? E1 by E2 is equal to, you will write here 2 by 1, or E1 is equal to E1 is equal to 2 E2. E1 is equal to E2. Just substitute the values. So 6 2 times cancel here. E1 is equal to what? 2 E2. This is what? This is the asking here. Find the ratio they ask. What are the ratio you will write here? So we will write the ratio 2:1 only. Or the relation they asking, you will write E1 is equal to 2 E2 only. So this is the question number 1 from this Planck's quantum theory. See the question here. What is the number of photons of the light with wavelength of 400 picometers that provides 1 joule energy? They are asking here number of photons, and they are asking. You know one formula, E is equal to, what is the formula? E is equal to N into H into nu, you know. So they are asking here N is equal to E by H nu only. N is equal to E by H nu. So here what are the frequency given? The number of photons of the light with wavelength. Wavelength lambda given how much here? 400 picometers. 400 into 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 12 meter. From this you can write 4 into 10 power minus 10 meter only. So here frequency given, not given only. So nu is equal to what generally? Nu is equal to what ma? C by lambda we have. Okay. Now we will see from this what you can find out here. What you will get here in nu place, suppose you are writing C by lambda. So N is equal to, you will get here E by H into this, we are getting what? Lambda by C we are getting what? Clear? Now we can substitute the values here. Energy how much given ma? Energy is given out here 1 joule only. This is 1 into, what is the wavelength is given? This is 4 into 10 power minus 8 meter by this H value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second into, this is velocity of the light 3 into 10 power 8 meter and what ma? Second inverse only. Substitute, you will get the answer. See this extension of the calculation what we have. So what is there here? This is N is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 10 meter by, what is the value we have? 6.625 into, this is 3, you can multiply, you will get how much here? 19.87 into, the remaining value we have 10 power minus 34 into, we have 10 power 8 is there. So you will get here 4 by 19.87, suppose you can do this one. 4 by 19.87, you will get 0.201. This is 10 power minus 10. This is 10 power 34, and this is 10 power minus 8 only. You will get 0.201 into 10 power 16. So then you can write here 2.01 into 10 power 15 only. So this is what number of photons are formed by taking the wavelength of 400 picometers, and it provides how much energy? 1 joule energy only. So this is question number 2 we have. So the next question we have, find the frequency of the photons which correspond to the frequency 3 into 10 power 12 Hz only. Frequency given 3 into 10 power 12 Hz. They are asking energy E is equal to H nu. Okay. What is H value? We have Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. You can write E is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. This is joule second into This is 3 into 10 power 12. You will write 8 means you can write what ma? Second inverse you can write one. Clear? Now we will see here E is equal to 6.625 into 3 into here how much we have minus 34 here 10 power 12 is there. So 34 12 how much you will get ma? We have 22. This is minus 22 joules you get only. So multiply this one with here 15. This is 7. This is 18. 19.875 into 10 power minus 22 joules. You can take approximately this is 20 into 10 power minus 22 joules only. What here? It is the energy of the radiation correspond to the frequency 3 into 10 power 12 Hz. Next one we have the calculate the energy of 1 mole of photon having of radiations having the frequency 5 into 10 power 14 Hz only. They are asking for 1 mole of photon. You know one formula for 1 mole of photon E is equal to h nu into Na Avogadro number, you know. Here frequency is given, nu is given, 5 into 10 power 14 Hz is given. So h is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second we have. Avogadro number Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. So E is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second into this is frequency we have 5 into 10 power 14 second inverse I am taking this one into 6.022 into we have 10 power 23 only. So E is equal to this is 6.625, this is 5 and we have 6.022 into second inverse second cancel here, then we have 10 power minus 34 here 23 and 14 we have 37 means here 34 is there. So what you will get here 10 power 3 joules will get on. You multiply this one 6.625 into 5 into 6.022 into 10 cube you will get how much means here 119.84 into we have 10 cube joules. You can write here 119.84 kilo joules only. 10 cube you can call it as what? Kilo. What is the answer? 119.84 kilo joules only. So the next concept we have photoelectric effect only. So what is meant by photoelectric effect means when light falls on a certain metal surface, some of the electrons are ejected from the metal surface only. Okay. The process of release of electron from the metal surface, certain amount of frequency of light strike on it is called as what? Photoelectric effect only. It is a metal surface. So here light from the source falls on the metal surface. This is the light from the source metal surface. Then what happened here? So ejection of electrons will be takes place only. So this ejection of electrons is coming outside. These electrons we are calling as what electrons means here? Photoelectrons only. Let us see one example here. Suppose you can go to the gold showroom. Then what happened here? Some light falls on the gold metal only. Then what happened here? The surface of the metal is what? It will be look like very good only. Why it will happen means here, whenever the light falls on the metal surface like gold, some electrons are coming from the outside, that we are calling as what? Ejection of the electrons only. Due to that we are observing what here? Some of the glow of the metal surface only. So this is regarding about which one? Photoelectric effect only. The process of ejection of electron. The process of ejection of electron. The process of ejection of electron from which surface man? Metal surface. The process of ejection of electron from the metal surface when sufficient frequency of the light, when sufficient frequency of light strikes or falls, sufficient light of frequency of light falls on it. So this is called as what? Photoelectric effect. Only simple. When the light falls on the metal surface, the ejection of the electron will be takes place. The phenomenon is called as what? Photoelectric effect only. The electrons which are ejected from the metal surface is called as what? Photoelectrons only. The electrons which are ejected from metal surface is called photoelectrons only. Photoelectrons only. So here what happened here, the ejection of electrons takes place only. Means what here, the minimum frequency is required to eject the electron from the metal surface is called as a threshold frequency only. What frequency ma? Threshold frequency. The minimum frequency required to eject the electron from the metal surface only. Can I write one more point here? The minimum frequency is required to release or eject electron from metal surface is called threshold frequency. Is called what ma? Threshold frequency only. Okay, you know the formula E is equal to h nu. E is equal to h nu. In this some amount of energy already used in the form of which one ma? Threshold frequency only. What are the remaining energies there? The remaining energy is used to increase the kinetic energy of the electron only. Already E is there. In this some amount of energy already absorbed in the form of which one here? In the form of threshold frequency only. What are the remaining energies there? The remaining energy used to increase the kinetic energy of the electron only. Here some amount of energy or frequency can say, or energy used to eject electron, the remaining energy used to increase kinetic energy of electron only. Kinetic energy of which one ma? Electron. We will now write one expression here. E is equal to W plus kinetic energy only. So what is W here? W we are calling as a work function only. W are calling as what? No, function. What are the expression you got? E is equal to W plus what ma? Ku only. Now we can see the next expression for this one. From this I want to write here E is equal to H nu naught plus Ka. H is a constant, you can see, nu naught is a threshold frequency only. From this you can write H nu is equal to H nu naught plus what ma? Ka is simple. E is equal to what? H nu only. From this I am writing here Ke is equal to H nu minus what ma? H nu naught only. Ke is equal to H nu and H nu naught only. From this you will write Ke is equal to, what is H here? H into C by lambda minus H into C by lambda naught we have. Now we will write Ke is equal to Hc, suppose you take the common here, 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught only. So what in nu naught here? Nu naught is equal to threshold frequency. And lambda naught is equal to threshold wavelength. Threshold wavelength. What is the formula you got here? Ke is equal to H nu minus H nu naught, or Ke is equal to Hc into 1 by lambda minus what ma? 1 by lambda naught only. Next we have kinetic energy formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mu square. You know this formula already. From this I am writing here half mv square is equal to hc into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda not only. So now we can write here, what is we can write here, v square is equal to 2hc by m into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. So we will write v is equal to square root of here 2hc by m into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught only. This is also you can say one of the formula. Clear? Now from this what you can write here, we can write one more formula, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So what here, v square is equal to 2 into k e by m. So v is equal to under root of 2 into k e by m only. So these are what, these are the different forms of which one velocity you are taking, kinetic energy you are taking here what, kinetic energy for the photoelectric effect only. So the next formula we have some of the relations only here. Kinetic energy directly proportional to the frequency only. Means kinetic energy increase, what happen, frequency increases. You see this is the graph here, kinetic energy versus frequency. This nu naught you know threshold frequency only. So here what here, the slope is what, moving through the straight line like this only. So this is the slope graph for which one, kinetic energy versus frequency only. And one more important point we have, intensity of the radiation directly proportional to number of photoelectrons only. Means you can increase the intensity of the radiation or energy of the radiation, then what happened here, more number of photoelectrons are coming from the metal surface only. And the next one you can see, kinetic energy is independent of the incident intensity of the light used only. So it does not depends on intensity of the light. You can increase the intensity also, kinetic energy remains what, constant only. This is the kinetic energy versus what, intensity graph only. So intensity can increase how much, but the kinetic energy does not change, it is what, constant only. This graph represent what, kinetic energy versus what, instant intensity only. Very important points here. Kinetic energy directly proportional to frequency, intensity of the radiation directly proportional to number of photoelectrons. Kinetic energy is independent of the intensity of the light used in this photoelectric effect only. So these are the three important points. So generally what type of metals you are taking, means majority you are taking alkali metals only. So like lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium is there, but cesium is the best metal. It will give the photoelectric effect accurate only because it is a highly electropositive element only. It loses electron easily when compared to the all metals in the periodic table. So this is regarding about which one, photoelectric effect only.